Hello guys, welcome na naman uli sa aking channel, Maxtorp Moto. Please subscribe. Kung saan isa namang motor ang ating bigyan pansin, upang malaman ang kabuuan. Anyo nito, tere pag-usapan natin. Kawasaki Ninja 400 ABS 2020 Specifications. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 ABS 2020 heavy bike has been launched by Kawasaki in 2020. It has a 399cc displacement and 4-stroke parallel twin DOHC liquid-cooled engine system. This motorbike comes with 30.9 inches seat height and 6-na-speed transmission. Kawasaki Ninja 400 ABS 2020 motorcycle has single 310mm pedal type disc front brakes, single 220mm pedal type disc rear brakes. 5.5 inches ground clearance, 53.9 inches wheelbase, 3.6 inches trail, 11.5 is na isang compression ratio. Brand Kawasaki. Model Ninja 400 ABS 2020. Power. Engine 4-na-stroke parallel twin, DOHC liquid-cooled. Displacement 399cc. Bore X-stroke 70.0 x 51.8mm. Compression ratio 11.5 is na isa. Fuel system DFI with dual 32mm throttle bodies. Ignition TCBIW, digital advance. Transmission 6-na-speed. Final drive sealed chain. Performance. Electronic rider aids ABS. Front suspension, wheel travel 41mm hydraulic telescopic fork 4.7 inches. Rear suspension, wheel travel horizontal backlink with adjustable spring preload, 5.1 inches. Front tire 110/70 by 17. Rear tire 150/60 by 17. Front brakes single 310mm pedal type disc with 2 piston calipers and ABS. Rear brakes single 220mm pedal type disc with single piston caliper and ABS. Details. Frame type trellis, high tensile steel. Rake trail 24.7 degrees, 3.6 inches. Overall length 78.3. Overall width 28. Overall height 44.1. Ground clearance 5.5. Seat height 30.9. Curb weight 366 lbs. Fuel capacity 3.7. Wheelbase 53.9. Color choices: Pearl Blizzard White, Metallic Spark Black, Metallic Magnetic Dark Gray, Phantom Blue.